Well, I would like to introduce our next speaker, Elleyen, an aspiring fourth grader, a genius girl who loves public speaking. Let's give it up for Elleyen.
Cool. Awesome.
Hello, everyone. My name is Elleyen Nazir, and I'm 9 years old. Thank you so much, Sid, for teaching us all about the pandemic. I truly enjoyed it. Now, today, I'll be talking about my trip to Antarctica. More specifically, 1. Where's Antarctica? 2. How does it look like? And 3. Who else would be there? Before I begin, I have a question. What do you get when you cross a wizard and a blizzard? Does anyone know?
An old man?
No.
Oh, sorry. I tried.
A cold spell.
Oh, God. Okay. Good one. Appreciate that.
There's Antarctica is in the south. It's also known as the South Pole. Antarctica is very cold. Therefore, not many people live there. Mostly only scientists for research purposes live there. A cool fact about Antarctica is that there are 2 very small schools. That's crazy. But they're only for the soldiers' families when they come to visit. Antarctica's temperature isn't really friendly for us. It is the coldest continent on Earth. The temperatures can go from -10 degrees Celsius all the way to -60 degrees Celsius. That's freezing. Living in Antarctica could be very expensive because of the clothes you'll need and the special houses. But some people still go there, and some people live there, like scientists and soldiers. Anyways, do you know you can also stay in a hotel there? Yes, a hotel. It's called the White Desert Hotel. And did you know that the White Desert Hotel is actually in a different shape than most other hotels? Because that hotel is actually shaped like an igloo.
Ah.
Like those snow brick houses.
Mm-hmm.
It's the most expensive hotel in the world. A 1-week stay can cost $98,500. That's crazy. So if I would like to visit Antarctica, I would need a very special permit. Yes, a permit. Antarctica isn't a country, so we don't need a visa to go there, like other countries. But we do need a permit. We need a permit because Antarctica is protected by the Antarctic Treaty, which preserves it for peaceful and scientific uses. After getting my permit, I'll get a cruise ticket and off to Antarctica. Only if the cruise doesn't get stuck in the ice. It probably will. So now I'll tell you a little more facts about Antarctica. What does Antarctica look like? Well, it looks like a floating ice island, except this floating ice island is attached to the bottom of the sea. Like here's Antarctica, and here's the bottom of the sea. It's attached. It's not floating so it can move around. It stays in place. Did you know that there are two of the tallest mountains in Antarctica? Vincent Massif and Mount Erebus.
I
Also,
didn't know that.
there are 18 islands in Antarctica. That is a lot. If you owned that many islands, what would you think? That's a lot. So, I wondered, when I'll reach Antarctica, who would I see? Well, scientists are busy with research, soldiers on their bases. Yeah, that stuff. It'll be very interesting if I would get to see how they work. I mean, like, they have really interesting jobs. I'll also find a lot of animals there, like penguins, seals, orcas, and other seabirds. Not polar bears. They live in the Arctic or the North Pole, whatever you call it. Would we find any plants in Antarctica? Well, there aren't any trees or shrubs there, like, that kind of stuff. But there are two species of flowering plants. One, Antarctic hairgrass, and two, Antarctic pearlwort. Antarctic hairgrass is the largest of them. Okay, so before I will conclude my speech, let me summarize my topic. Today, I talked about my trip to Antarctica. More specifically, 1. Where is Antarctica? 2. How does it look like? And 3. Who else would be there? I think going to Antarctica would be a once-in-a-lifetime kind of experience. And I'll get to explore life with different people, like the scientists and soldiers. It'll be interesting. And plus, they have really interesting jobs. I'm going to get more information on how to get a permit. And if you want to go to Antarctica or you want to learn more, you should probably do the same or at least research. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked my speech. If you
Yeah,
have any
that's
questions,
it. Good job, Beta. You did really awesome. I'm so proud of you.